Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. One of the more common questions I get, or comments I get from kind of the peanut gallery online is, "Hey Nate, you didn't show your cleaning work once it was dry," and there seems to be a lot of skepticism about how a project looks when it's cleaned, but needing to be dry, not wet. And fair enough, wet wood looks better in general than dry wood. I'm often off the job site before my project's dry. But here I've got the opportunity to follow up on a job I just did yesterday. This is a Ipe, hardwood Ipe deck. Had the normal algae, both hard and soft algae in the shade here, and it had just been neglected. So I cleaned it in the way that I've described, being my sort of go-to method to clean decking. And here I am today. So let's take a look at the before, and we'll look at the after, but now look at the real after now that it's dry. This is a dry day. The wood is thoroughly dried out from the cleaning. All right. This is bone dry. You can obviously see the grain of the wood. You're looking at the same thing. You tell me, is this all splintered up? Is it gauged up or gouged up? Did I carve my name into it? Or is it baby smooth and clean? Let's look at the one up front. So anyway, I don't have the opportunity to address every question or criticism, but I hope that addresses some. Bye-bye.